Hello students, due to by mistake it was the video was paused, so we will continue again. In second case, that is in if we want to calculate P2 power, it is a parallel mode. Okay, if you see the diagram here, I'll show you the diagram. It is a parallel mode. Okay, and in parallel mode, children, what happens? Current flows or potential is what is same and what is different. Have you noted it down? Do you remember it or you have forgotten that? Anybody can tell me what is same in parallel mode? In parallel arrangement of resistors, children, the potential difference is same. Okay, here the 4 volt potential difference is same across 2 ohm and 12 ohm. Current flowing might be different, but potential difference is सेम इन पैरेलल मोड. सीरीज में क्या होता है? करंट सेम होता है, पोटेंशियल डिफरेंस अलग होता है, राइट? सो वी हैव यूज्ड डिफरेंट फॉर्मूला देयर वी हैव यूज्ड I square R and here we will use V square divided by R. Okay, why? Because potential difference is same, current flowing is different. So we will put down the values. That is, what is the value of voltage? It is 4 V square. So 4 square divided by, through which resistor we need to find out? 2 ohm. 16 divided by 2, which becomes 8. So what is the value of P2? 8 watt. Now we have to compare P1 upon P2, which is equal to 8 divided by 8. So the answer becomes 1:1. Or you can also write that 1:1. Okay? Now the last question that we are going to discuss, from your textbook only the question is there, question number 16. So if you talk about the question number 16, what is the question? I'll read it for you. Which uses more energy? 250 watt TV set in 1 hour or 1200 watt toaster, second case, in 10 minutes. This is only the question, no? Which uses more energy? A 250 watt TV set in 1 hour or 1200 watt toaster in 10 minutes. So first what we have to do, we have to calculate the energy. We know what is the formula? Work done upon power is equal to work done upon time. Because here what is given? Power is given and time is given. So we will use this formula. We have to decide, children, what formula we need to use. So work done is equals to power multiplied by time. Here power in first case is 250 watt. So time क्या लेंगे? 1 hour? No, we have to convert it in seconds. 3600 seconds. 60 into 60. 60 minutes multiplied by 60 seconds in 1 hour. So it becomes 9 multiplied by 10 raised to 5 joule. In second case, children, again power is equal to work done upon time. So work done is equal to power multiplied by time. In second case, power is 1200 watt multiplied by time is 10 minutes. So 10 into 60, 600 seconds. So it becomes, if we calculate it, 7.2 into 10 raised to 5 joule. Here for comparison, just see that whatever is the power of 10, it should be same. Here it should not be 10 raised to 6 or here it should be 10 raised to 4 and then you are comparing. Definitely it will matter then. So convert into same powers and then compare. Here it is 9 into 10 raised to 5. Here it is 7.2 into 10 raised to 5. So who uses more energy? TV set. Energy used by TV set is more. Energy used by TV set is more. Oh, that way you have to solve the sums. Okay students, here the discussion we will finish with the lesson electricity. In the next lesson, in next period, we will start with magnetic effect of electric current. I request everyone take it as a homework and read the introductory part of the lesson. Okay, thank you.